Hello, I'm Matt, Product Manager for NI InsightCM. In this video, I'd like to show you the workflow for working with comments in InsightCM. Comments are useful to allow us to identify particular asset events that occur in the data. Comments have the capability to be able to be searched and to be able to retain those events so they do not get aged out by the processes within InsightCM. I'm currently on the data page here, and we've loaded up the overall vibration level, or the RMS value, from our motor inboard horizontal accelerometer on one of our chilled water pumps. Notice how I've dropped down my cursor here such that I've loaded up my waveform data. Let's say that this is the point where I want to place a comment. So to place a comment, go up to the Action menu on the chart viewer and click Add Comment. This will pop up a dialog that gives us the opportunity to add a comment, text comment specifically. Alternatively, you can also add images if it makes sense. So now when I close this dialog, notice how we have dropped down a comment annotation here. And by clicking on that annotation, it will bring up the same dialog that allows us to view the comment along with who entered that comment. To toggle this annotation on and off, go ahead and just click on the Annotate Comments button here on the top of the trend viewer. Now, in order to quickly identify where this comment is in the future, there's a couple options we have. The first is to go up to this Action menu here and choose the Data Events option. The Data Events dialog allows us to identify where and when all of our data sets have been collected. I'm going to go ahead and click on the Filter By button here. I'm going to choose Comments Only. If you want, we can also search for a specific text within the comment itself, which will allow us to quickly filter all of the possible comments so that we can find only what we're interested in looking for. But in this case, I want to return all of the comments. So go ahead and click OK here. And notice how we've returned only one data event that has a comment, which we can see from the properties here. If you double click on this, it'll bring up the comments as well.